perfect animation in Seedance 2. Hello my friends, and how are you doing? Your boy is bringing the heat to the kitchen again. You can see here this post 118,000 views on X and this 45,000. Follow me on X because there I share stuff that doesn't even fit on YouTube because I'm finding out so much cool things about AI. Today I'm going to show you my process. I will link this below so you have all of my prompts, all of the resources. Let's get started. So the first thing we're going to check out today is how to make an animation just with Seedance, no video recording. Here you see it applied, and I want to explain real quick what the purpose for this is, because people have been asking me on X. The reason for this is if you want to have a controlled animation that you want to apply to multiple different characters or different character skins and also be independent in the animation from the character design, because that might influence it. An example for that would be, for example, you want to have a young boy walk like an old man. Now the AI will make the young boy walk like a young boy, but you can then have the animation separated and say make this puppet walk like an old man and then apply it to the young boy. So the first thing that we are going to create here is this puppet or plain mannequin that is having that pose. So you describe that pose, what you want to have in your prompt. This is first with either Nano Banana or with ChatGPT Image 2. And here you can see that I have a 3D character, that I have a plain mannequin. So it has no specific details in there. It is from the side, but you can decide on your own what kind of pose you want to have. And it's hunched over. This is the kind of motion I want to have here, the hunched over walk. Now in the next step, we are already creating this inside of Seedance. So you can see the prompt here, create a walking animation from this hunched over character. So I'm using the image as an input. The character stays in place. This is important, so it's not walking outside of the frame. He has to stay right in the middle. Of course, if you want to have another animation prompt for that, that's okay. I wanted to have it like this. Next, we are going to use the original image as the input and render an image over that. In this case, I want to have here American gold miner in the American nature walking along looking like a gaming character. So I'm describing all of that. We have the landscape in the background and he's walking. Looks pretty amazing. This is done with Nano Banana Pro, not with ChatGPT Image 2. The reason for that is because I found out not only that ChatGPT Image 2 can be kind of slow, but also that it creates a checkerboard pattern in the image that doesn't look good, and Nano Banana doesn't do that. So this is why I'm using Nano Banana Pro here. And then we are already going over here to animate this. Now for the animation, we need to have the clip we created before of the animation and also the image that we want to apply as that thing we want to animate here. In this case, we have this old man here, and the prompt says apply the walking animation to the animation clip exactly as it is to the character that we have here in the scene, and then the camera tracks the character exactly in place. Now this sometimes can have problems with the ground animation where the ground is moving in a different speed or even standing still while the character is walking, looking a little bit like he's doing a moonwalk. In that case, either you want to render it again or you want to put it in the prompt and say move the landscape accordingly. You can see here that I have created another image. Now, interesting part here is that the character in the image, because he is carrying this large Buddha statue, is actually smaller in the image. Again, using Nano Banana Pro here for that. But applying a movement inside of Seedance or even Kling is not related to the size of the character in the final video. So you could even have the character be smaller in the scene, walking in a larger landscape, and still the correct movement would be applied to the character. This is pretty amazing and gives you a lot of control. And then of course we are applying this with the same prompt to the Seedance video, and as you've seen, it's applied in a beautiful way. Now, of course, the next step from that would be to record a video of yourself acting out a scene. Now, the purpose for that, the reason why you want to do this rather than just prompt, is that you have specific control over what is going on. You can have very specific movements and also very delicate movements, delicate face expressions in your video that look much more realistic and also are much more on purpose to what you actually want the characters do. So it means you have 100% control. So for that, you record a video of yourself in good light so the AI can see what is going on, and then you want to take a screenshot out of that video. In this case, because I'm moving my fingers, I take a screenshot where I have all my fingers visible so that the AI can actually see that. So next we are already applying this to Nano Banana. Now here, as you can see, I'm using a 9:16 ratio because originally I thought I'm doing this for X, so I want to have it in smartphone format, but you can also use any other ratio and the AI will just figure out the width of the background for you and fill it for you. Now here the prompt is based exactly on the pose in my photo. See it down here. Create a highly detailed 3D game character, any other style is good too, of an old western gold miner in an American wilderness. Same composition, I pointed out again, so it's really sure that the AI will stick to that. Now this again is applied to Seedance with the input video that I've recorded of myself and then the image that has the style I want applied to the video. Again, the size and position of the character in the video does not matter. It could be off to the side, it could be smaller, it could be full body. It will apply the motion to the character. And then, for example, you could also say, in this case, you have the hand movement here, but you want to have the character walking, and the AI will add the walking motion to that too. So you can actually create yourself in a running scene even though in real life you're not running. Now here's a specific case I want to point out to you. First of all, you can see the style here is different, but also this is a woman. Now there is something special about that you need to take into consideration, and that is, of course, a woman has usually smaller hands than a man, and if I don't put that in the prompt, the hands will be man size and will look not proportionate to the rest of her body and also to her face. So in this case, I'm prompting here that I want to have exactly the pose of the photo, and the style here is amateur smartphone photo of a beautiful woman. This is why this looks more like a photo, but also looks more like an amateur photo. Of course, also I have to say here, it actually looks pretty good for an amateur photo, but it is a bar, it has good light. Anyways, I'm pointing out here with small, elegant female hands, so it actually has that. And the importance here is also not to say just a small hand, because then it might still have my big man fingers. It has to have more of an elegant feel to that, because the fingers are thinner and more delicate if you want to have that. It really depends on what kind of result you want to have. And then all of that is applied in the exact same prompt to the video. And I have created for you two more examples, one of a vampire count and one of a Yakuza in Tokyo. And it's also cool here that you see the background, people moving. You have, of course, the prompts also for that, so you can recreate all of that and experiment with this. I will also leave the according X posts below my video. If you create something based on my video, please share it as a comment below that, and I might put it in one of my future posts as a collection of amazing results, or even in a dedicated video. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed that, and see you soon. Bye, my friends.
They hate AI art, yeah they shout, yeah they rage. Type essays in caps, tryna lock it in the cage. Not real, no soul, yeah we heard it before, but the crowd keep growing, now they banging the door. We just getting started, this the first of the wave. You're arguing online while we building the brave. New tools, new rules, yeah the game getting